Morning, guys. So I'm gonna make this drink that I've been seeing, and I'm gonna add a little bit something to it as well, because I want to know if it's any good. It's supposed to be very good for you, but I'll have to wait and see. So in it, I'm gonna put a bit of salt, pink Himalayan salt, which isn't the best apparently. Apparently the best you can get is Celtic sea salt, which I do agree with. I just don't know where to buy it locally, because I want to do it locally. I don't want to get it off the internet. You never know what you're getting off the internet. So I usually have a bit of salt with my water, especially in the morning, just to rehydrate myself. You need salt to hydrate yourself. You can't just... People are probably thinking, oh yeah, I'm drinking loads and loads of water and all I seem to be doing is going to the toilet all the time. Yeah, because your body's not absorbing it, because you need the salt to absorb it. I will make an actual video all about the science behind it. But until then, I'm just letting you know. So, we're going to bang a bit of water in here anyway and get started. So that should do. And then I'm going to bang a bit of this. Not loads. I don't want to make yourself sick, but you need a bit in there. Next, apple cider vinegar, organic apple cider vinegar. I usually, if I'm being really honest, I just swig this out of the bottle. It doesn't bother me. Mrs. thinks I'm absolutely nuts. My face that I pull after I swig it out of the bottle is pretty gnarly. But yeah, you need a good shot's worth in there. I love the tanginess, but it's too tangy. I don't know if you know, but yeah. And then we're going to add lemon. You need a knife to add some lemon. But I'm going to add some other stuff in there as well. I want to make this something that it might be some sort of superhuman health drink. Who knows? So we've added the lemon. Oh, I can really... That's more zesty than the apple cider vinegar. I usually have like a swig of apple cider vinegar before I eat my food. It's really high in acid, really good for your body. Like to help it digest food. So if you're going to have apple cider vinegar, like just by itself or a little bit with a shot of water, just do it with just have it before your food. Don't drink loads of water when you're eating your food either, because that changes the acidity of your stomach and you won't digest it properly. Probably half the reason why loads of people are bloated. So to finish this off, I'm actually going to add some turmeric. If I can get the thing open. Oh, we need something else as well. So we're going to add some turmeric. Open. It's about a teaspoon of turmeric, I reckon. We don't do things by measures here. We don't do things by halves either. With the turmeric, which is really good for your like inflammation and your digestion, really good for you. But your body can't absorb it as well without black pepper. So black pepper helps your body uptake that turmeric so much better. Because if you go into a supplement shop or something, you will see turmeric supplements, and then you will see turmeric and black pepper. That's because your body can absorb the turmeric so much better with the black pepper. And last but not least, we're going to put some cayenne pepper in there, and that's cayenne pepper opens up your blood vessels and stuff. So if you open up your blood vessels and all this stuff's travelling through in your blood and everything like that, you want them to get everywhere. And that's what cayenne pepper helps you do. Not too much, it'll be well spicy. So just to recap, salt for hydration. Your body's made up of salt. That's what electrolytes are, salts. You need them. Your turmeric for inflammation and general health, gut health and everything like that, and the black pepper to help the turmeric absorb properly into your body. And you got the cayenne pepper to open up your blood vessels and everything, so everything gets around. You got the lemon, which is makes it more alkaline, which is supposed to be really, 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 really good for you, rather than acid. So I'm doing this on an empty stomach. I'm not having any food. I won't have any food till about 12, 1 o'clock anyway, so that's another 4 hours away. And I don't eat. I only train fasted now. And then you've got the apple cider vinegar, which helps regulate your blood sugar and insulin levels and everything like that. Blood sugar? Blood pressure? I can't remember. But it's all good for you. And just H2O. H2O is good for you. I don't drink tap water because I know bottled water has its own issues with microplastics, but tap water is full of fluoride and chlorine. And I believe that's way worse for you. I'm going to mix it all together. And smash it. It looks lovely. See all the bits of black pepper in there? Well, it's a unique taste, put it that way. It isn't undrinkable. It's a unique taste. But I'm going to try and do this every morning. Now, instead of just my water, I'm going to do that. Obviously, I'm going to still drink water through the day and add a little bit of salt every now and again. But this is how I'm going to start my day from now on. Right, guys, thanks for watching. MBI out.